Hello everybody, welcome back to our TCL Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to open up settings. In the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and open up our sounds and vibration. Here, what we need to do is we need to put our media volume a bit higher. So make sure that your media volume is not muted. This is very important. And also you can check your call volume by going into the phone app. Here you can press the volume up to increase your call volume, and you can click on three dots to make sure that it is the call volume. It has to be the phone icon, not the bell, not anything else, just the phone icon. What are we going to do next is clean our speaker grills. So it is very important that we do that. First, there's one at the top, and second, there's a bigger one at the bottom. And we want to clean them with a soft brush or anything that just does not damage them. Very important, because if we damage them, then we can risk a lot. So our speaker will basically die if we clean it with something hard instead of soft. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. And in the settings, we want to swipe up to the Bluetooth. We want to make sure that Bluetooth is off. If it says on and you see your device name, received files, and available devices, make sure that you turn it off, because we don't want any audio to be rerouted. So, for example, we don't want our audio to be routed into headphones, speakers, and etc. Next, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. We do that to refresh the system, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software. So we're going to unlock the phone, and now we want to go to our settings once the phone loads up. Here in the settings, we want to go over, you can do that from My Device. You can click on the TCL UI right here, and it will bring you straight into the system update, so you don't have to scroll all the way down to system. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you upgrading. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.